They're excited because I'm going to walk down to the shop pad. You can go for a walk? You can go for a walk? I had Joelle go over to show you guys the shop. I still limp badly enough that this would have been a very hard to watch bit if I would have done it. Maybe tomorrow I'll show you the inside. I didn't realize that she didn't go inside until I was editing. But this is his shop. Ended up being a little bit shorter than he wanted, and for time and money's sake. And he loves natural light when working, especially on the handles and the detail work. So lots of windows, which windows are my favorite part of a house. Having a lot of sunlight coming in is great. There's Azariah again with his fun Hot Wheels set.
Time. It'd be interesting to know how quickly they could finish the job. It wouldn't surprise me if they could finish.
This is our printer, and don't laugh at our desk, it's just our floor. But I have no idea why this has not let us print for a couple of weeks. These are Patrick's warning sheets. It let me print these today, but when I tried to print out our tax paperwork, it won't do anything. It just doesn't do it. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't know if the lady sent us our accountant sent us our tax paper in a different format. I don't know. I need to figure that out. But that's really annoying. I also got, last night, Patrick did a bunch of voiceovers for his videos. So I'm working on getting all those uploaded today. And listening to his voiceovers and making sure that there's not like me talking in the background or something. So far I haven't found anything, but just making sure that that's done. So, and Azariah and I did a bunch of school. Yep. Mm-hmm. And what are you doing now?
Doing beads.
Beads.
This was a little knot thing, so I just tied.
Oh yeah.
They've all been enjoying that we got out craft stuff.
Yes.
So, beading. What other things have been doing? Embroidery.
Lots of embroidery. Everybody's been doing embroidery pretty much. Naomi, Wisdom, Simeon, and Azariah have all been doing embroidery. As well as Lilley and myself. And
look, Mom.
And right before that, I did the coat blocks.
Oh yeah.
And I ran out of them.
So that's been mainly the main.
And some hand sewing.
Love.
They've done some hand
And
sewing.
Mom did painting.
Yeah, but it's mostly
Yeah.
that.
Mom did a paint quilt block.
Yes, I painted a quilt block, like a little barn quilt. I don't know. Not a whole lot is going on. I need to get this upstairs back in order.
Mom, look at inside the knot.
Oh, good job. Don't let your beads fall off.
It's the knots that I do.
Okay. So, I did a bunch of school with Azariah. I need to do school with another child. Judah got a deer this morning, so they're cleaning that. And they have a Catan game set up because they want to come in when they're done getting their today stuff done and play Catan. They've been playing games every evening. So, mostly
play Clue very much.
Azariah wants to play Clue. They were teaching him how to play Catan the other day, and that went pretty well.
Mm-hmm. And I know how to play Catan now.
Yes.
And Mancala. That's been a popular
Mancala
with
is
little boys.
the most popular for everybody to play.
I don't
And,
like
you know, a game's done in
Mancala
5
very
minutes.
much.
And the hard thing for Catan is the length of the game is a little bit more than attention span wants to go for. So Mancala is a good one. He wants to play Clue, but that hasn't happened yet because people want to play Catan. So I am going to go finish getting Patrick's videos uploaded, and Joelle's going to go do some filming for her channel.
I
But-
want glue. And that'll be more chess.
Yeah. We need to get a new chessboard. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. I'll probably come back and do more on the vlog. Right now I just have a few pieces because I'm kind of scattered. So I was going to try to get, it's recording, so my little happy little critter is going to get in the picture with me. I was going to do some more videoing for today, but my camera keeps saying that it's full of footage, so I need to just download all the footage, and I've already gone through and deleted some, but I don't know how much that is going to help. So I need to get this downloaded, or, you know, put on the computer and get it edited. And yeah, I also have a couple of children I still need to do some school with today. And
I did school with Mom today.
you did a lot of school
2
with me.
videos I told that.
Oh, we said it earlier in this video that we did school. Naomi, can you hand me his school book?
You want me to make sure it's focusing?
It's fine.
This is my
It'll do it.
second one I did.
So what did you do on this page?
I drew all blue things.
All the things that can be blue.
Mhm.
And on this page, what did you do?
I drew the circles.
Yep.
Even the moon circle thing.
Oh, the sun.
The sun.
Yep.
Do you have to do the sun?
Yeah. It was a circle that you're supposed to trace. And he did some line drawing. And he did some
Cut and glue?
cut and glue. He doesn't like to do cut and glue.
Yes, I
You do? Yeah, I knew you did.
do. Show them what
So these are one of our favorite school things, adventures in books. It's it's Rod and Staff Publishers. It's Mennonite, and I like it because there's not too much overwhelm on a page. It's not, when pages are flashy and super colorful, it can be overwhelming and too much.
Mom,
Thank you. Just sit down.
Is there any cows? Do you like?
No, there's no cows.
But do you
There's
like?
a bear.
Do you like any of them?
I did. So this is the first kindergarten book that we're going through. He finished the last preschool book today,
They're just two
which he went through the preschool set twice because we had it and we don't have someone else that can use it. So we did that. And Naomi wants you to see their school box. And it has crayons, glue stick, glue, and scissors.
and
And a pencil, which is not in it.
And a couple broken crowns.
And a pencil. that's not
So,
in it.
Crayon.
what?
Same as these crayons.
Yeah, crowns. Yep. So, I think I'm going to call this video done and get some schoolwork done. I'm also decreasing the hat to make the crown. And then I'll have another hat ready for the website. So, just getting that stuff done in between. And what else did we do today? So Judah got a deer this morning, so they were getting that gutted and hung, and it's hanging off the gate now. And
It's a big deer.
yeah, it was a big doe.
Yeah.
Ouch, you just kicked my foot. So we will probably leave that to hang overnight. And then he wants to go borrow the neighbor's meat grinder. And I was hoping to slow cook it all. Roast and taco style.
Grinding it. It's so fun.
You do like it? Do you like hamburger better than roast?
Yeah.
Yes, very carefully.
But also, we get to make breakfast sausage. Mike and Rainey, our neighbors, made us 2
They made us summer sausage.
summer sausage.
Yeah.
It says breakfast sausage.
I don't think so. It says summer sausage, babe.
Oh.
We talked about making breakfast sausage.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we might make some breakfast sausage out of ours. Patrick was talking about that this morning. And this is Judah's first year, so we're very
Is
excited.
this lemon salt?
Of course.
This is lemon salt.
It's not focusing.
You gotta hold it still and not let the camera see your face if you want them to see it.
This is lemon salt.
Did it work?
Yeah.
All right, you can move it now. So we're gonna get this done and move on to the next thing for
so
tonight.
good.
Redmond
so
is so good. We
Like
love
it
it.
up.
Just
But-
1 second.
So just tell them we'll see them next time.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Again.
That red.
You push the button.
I did it. I did it.